Hello, welcome back. This is another example of incomplete histogram in frequency table. So here we have incomplete frequency table and histogram that give information about heights in centimeters of some tomato plants. Now, if you check the question carefully, you realize that frequency density scale is not given to us, so we need to figure this out. Now, so let's get our frequency density column, and don't forget your formula: frequency density, frequency over class weight, and frequency density times class weight. The best way to start this problem is always check a class or a frequency which is already represented on the frequency density or on the histogram. Check a class whose bar is already represented on the histogram. So if you check these, you realize that this class with frequency 20 is represented on the histogram. So that's our starting point. Now, we can use this information to work out our frequency density. So it's frequency divided by class weight. So that is 2. That means the height of this bar is up to 2. Now that we know that is 2, we can sort of use it to graduate our scales. So 4 squares is equal to 2. 2 squares should be equal to 1. So we have our scales now. So the rest is just easy to continue. So all you need to do is find out the frequency density for this class. That is 2.5. Then you check 32, 50, raise the bar up to 2.5. The next bit, we have the bar already drawn. Work out the area to give you the frequency. So that is 3, and that is 5. So that gives you 15 for the frequency, and therefore the frequency density is 3. The next one, use the information to work out the frequency density. 30 divided by 15, that gives you 2. There's no bar, raise the bar all the way up to 2. The last one, the bar is done. Work out the area to give you the frequency. That is 0.5 times 10. That gives you 5, frequency of 5, and that gives you the frequency density of 0.5. So this is how you complete both the frequency table or the frequency table and the histogram. Remember, start with a class whose bar is already drawn on the histogram. Next slide, we'll be talking about problem solving questions involving histogram. Problem solving questions.